Hello everyone, you're welcome to another episode of my video. In this video, you're going to learn. So, if this is the first time you're on this channel, I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Temitope Moses, widely known as Asiwaju. So, all I want you to do is to pay attention while you learn and make sure you subscribe to this channel. So, this won't be the last time you come in across this channel. And also turn on the notification icon, switch from the personalized to all. So, you'll be among the first set of people to be notified each time we drop a new content on this channel. Now let's get started. Yes, I'm going to be opening your eyes to the different way of analyzing the market chart in which you've never ever been taught before. Most people might not even know this. So this is what I'm here to open your eyes to. So, and the tool we'll be using is TradingView. So for the sake of the newbies, I'll be holding this training. I'll be starting from the basic level up to the advanced level. So that's why I will be starting by setting up creating a TradingView account, setting up how you can analyze the tools you need, everything you need from the basic to the advanced level. So the first thing you need to do is to go on to tradingview.com because this is the tool we'll be using. So for the sake of those who don't have for those that don't have a TradingView account already, and just click on sign here or click on get started. And TradingView is free. Let me just tell you that TradingView is free. So we have a premium plan, a premium plan. Yes, as you can see, we have the premium plan, which costs some extra. You can just go through and read all the advantage that comes with it. So now let's click on sign off. So you can sign in with your Google account directly or input your Gmail. So I input my email, input a strong password that contains the capital letter, symbol, and the figure. And then you confirm you're not a robot, then you click on create account. So they have actually sent a verification email to me, so which I just need to confirm. Actually, we have a lot of assets that we trade. We have indices, stocks, crypto futures, forex, government bonds, as you can see right here on the list. So as a forex trader, I'll be using forex charts for the purpose of this video. But my kind of analysis, you can use the same approach for forex, be it crypto, be it indices, be it stocks. So any market, you can actually use it to analyze any asset you want to trade. So the kind of analysis I'll be sharing. So I'm selecting a chart now. So I'm going to start with USD chart because we have the major pairs. If you want to know more about the basic stocks of Forex, I've made some previous video about this. So I've explained everything in detail. Go and check my previous video. So here's the chart and here's your watch list. So you can switch here. Here you can adjust this here. You can adjust this here so that you can see whatever you're trading. You can drop this down, and you can select any chart you want to analyze. If you want to change your chart settings, this is where you go. Click on the settings. You can change anything you want to change here. Change the candle color to whatever you want it to be. You can change it and adjust that here. The status line, you can change some settings here. Maybe the status line, the logo. As you can see, once you click on it, you see anywhere the changes have been made, you see it on the chart. As you can see, the canvas, if you want to change the background of your screen, as you can see. So any changes you make here, you see the effects on the chart. So you can just go through it, and if you want to apply the default settings, you just click on apply default. So everything will change back and everything will be reset. So if you want to adjust these charts here, you can scroll here to adjust the chart. You can scroll here to adjust the the pairs, the first pairs. You can scroll down here even more to see all the pairs you're trading, all the assets. So and you can click here for the tools, maybe the trend line, and you can click on the favorite to pin the tool, to pin it on your screen right here. As you can see, you can pin any tool you want, long position, short position tool. You can pin it and add it right on your screen. We have more, the box and all these things you can also edit. Changing the color, you can change the color. Click here the pencil, change the color, the background color, you can change it. You can even label it. Let's say this is supply. You can label it and put the text anywhere you want it to be. Maybe inside, maybe outside, maybe below, maybe at the center, at the left, at the right. So that's that. And you can add the emojis. You can add emojis. You can pin your chart. You can lock your chart. You can actually lock your chart here. You can lock everything here on the screen. And you can lock it one after the other. Once you click here, you can lock it one after the other and lock. So you won't mess up with anything you set on the screen. And you can also hide everything at once. So you can undo whatever changes you do here. Whatever things you can undo, you can redo. As you can see, by clicking this, let me just delete this one more time. So you can undo it by clicking here. It comes back. Maybe you made mistake. And you can add your time frames at the top. You can pin it here at the top. Pin your time frames, the time frames you trade. You can pin it at the top. So after that, you can delete any pairs here that you don't trade. You can delete them, and you can even add more by clicking this plus sign to add. Maybe you want to add stocks, funds, forex, crypto, anything you want to add, any asset you want to add. So you can just click the plus sign to add it. So the best charts I use, we have the FSCM chart, and we have the Wando chart, and we have many more. Let me say the best that I use the FSCM or the Wando. So if you go here again, you can even add more. You can add more. So the TradingView actually has some there are limits to what you can add. But anytime you reach your limits, you'll be notified, and they will ask you to upgrade to premium browser. So if you want to add the indicators, though I don't use indicators to trade, but if you want to add, you can just come here and search for any indicator you want. Let's say maybe the sessions indicator. So you can just add it. You can just start to pin it under your favorite. So as you can see, and once you click it, it's going to be applied to your chart. As you can see it here. So that's how you add the indicator. Any indicator of your choice. We have a lot of indicator. As you can see a pop-up that shows that's your upgrade for premium. If I want to add more, because the basic plan, you can only add 2 indicators with the basic plan. And we also have the shortcuts here. You can just go through them. Yes, you can go through the shortcuts. If you click the keyboard shortcuts, you see all the shortcuts you can actually use as touching the chart. You see all the shortcuts. Maybe if you want to search, if you want to search and you want to use shortcuts, you click Ctrl plus K. There are lots for shortcuts here, as you can see. If you want to use the trend line, you click Alt plus T on the chart. So let's do that now. Alt T. You see? And even if you want to select multiple things on your screen, you press the control and drag your mouse. You select everything and you can delete them at once, as you can see. So if you want to hide your indicator, you click the hide button here to hide anything you want to hide. And if you want to delete, remove the indicator. And if you want to adjust the indicator settings, you click on the settings to adjust the settings. So you want to adjust. And if you want to replay your chart, you click on the replay, maybe for backtesting purpose. So you click on replay there. But the replay version comes with the premium plan. So on the basic plan, you can replay. And if you want to change your chart, maybe from candlesticks to bar to wherever you want to change it to, the let me just pin some from candlestick to this, as you can see. You can change it, and there are limits to what I can even add. So anytime you're going against your limits, they will notify you. As you see the pop-ups, it will pop-ups on your screen. If you want to screenshot the chart, you can just click on this camera icon and click on copy image or download image. Yes, so it should be downloaded on your device. As you can see, this chart has been downloaded on my device, and every changes you made on your chart will be saved automatically. As you can see here, every changes you made will be saved on your device automatically. You can go to their community. TradingView has a community where community of traders where they share trading ideas. As you can see here, they share trading ideas, indicator strategies, and lots more. So you can join any community, and as you can see, people are sharing a lot of charts. You can see a lot of chat being shared here. So you can join any community if you want to. As for me, I've learned how to trade forex and I have a working strategy. Although there's no holy grail, there's no strategy is holy grail forex, but I have a working strategy that works for me 9 out of 10 times. So, and we have a lot of strategy in forex. We have thousands of strategies. See strategy, we have the SMC, ICT, break and retest, supply and demand, support and resistance strategy, chart patterns, and lots more. But the strategies I actually use, let me say SMC, but the SMC is in another form in which you have not been shown before. So I'm going to open your eyes. So a lot of things that you have never been taught before, starting from the break of structure. What real break of structure is, because most people believe that the real break of structure is this. So now let me show you an example. Most people believe this is break of structure. Okay. Anytime we have a break of low, people tag it as break of structure. Anytime you have break of low, so people tag it as break of structure, but which is very wrong. Yeah, because this is not. This actually is not a break of structure. This is just a break of low. Because more people believe anytime we have a break like this, yeah, it's a break of structure. And so many other things people do believe lies. They are not true. So I'm going to be showing you what a real break of structure is, what the real change of character is, and a lot more that I'll be sharing. So I want you to stay tuned so that you won't miss out on any of this content that I'll be releasing. Yeah, because this is just the beginning. I actually have a Telegram community where I share trading signals. So if you want to join my community, or in the description of the video, you will see the link to my Telegram channel where I drop my free signals to my community. And also, if you are looking for the right broker which you're going to be used to trade, I recommend to you XNES. I recommend to you XNES. So this is the broker I use to trade. And if you want to sign up with this broker, I have a referral link where you're going to sign up so that you get some other benefits when you use my link to sign up. My link is also in the description below. At the top of the comment section, I'm going to pin it. So make sure you sign up with my link. So if you actually make it to the end of the video, I hope you learned something. So to encourage us, we the creator, to keep posting more informative content like this, can you like this video here? Like the video. And also to watch the next episode of this video, you will see at the top right corner of your screen the video title link that pops up. So click the link. It will take you to the next episode of the video. On to the next. Peace out.